In the valley of the shadow, I got a feeling it's season that'll make me grow. I'm still breathing, I got praise in my lungs, and a choir in my soul can't steal my joy. Can't steal my joy.
You fill it up until it overflows. I remember, I'll keep holding on to hope, 'cause you're the king of rolling stones. Can't steal my joy. Can't steal my joy. No, 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 no. What the world couldn't give, no, it can't take away.
This is our brother here. Help us with your name, brother.
Frank.
Brother Frank. So, and this is Frank's wife, Lisa, over here. Say hey, Lisa.
Hi, how are you?
This guy right here. This beauty right here. So she's got a 302, 3-speed, nice running little car. She's a daily driver. Yeah, so we like to take her out all the time. The reason we're here, just so you guys know, a couple weeks ago we were at the car show at the stockyard, and we were walking around checking out the cars, and we saw the guys from Faith on Wheels praying. And so we walked up and we joined in prayer, and we just started talking to your fellas there, and they encouraged us to come out to this car show, and we just want to come out and show our support. You know, we love our car, but we love Jesus even more.
Hey, Scott, so this is your car right here, right?
Yeah.
Tell us about your car.
It's a 69 Camaro, 496, 871 blower. It's not a trailer queen, I drive it.
All right, so tell me what kind of horsepower you're getting out of this thing.
700, it's kind of underdriven, so it's more on the street. So if I pull that pulley and got a smaller one, it'd be obnoxious, but it goes on the street pretty good. I put tires on it that are street legal.
Those are Mickey's, right?
Yeah.
So how wide are they?
22 inches by 33 inches. You literally have to drop the rear end to put the tires in and deflate them.
That is so much fun,
Right,
dude.
right.
I gotta tell you what, I would love to drive this thing.
Yeah, it's fun.
Out there.
Come prodigal children, it's never too late. Run home to the Father, let Him clothe you with grace, and bury your burdens, break free from the fear, step out of the shadows, there's no judgment here. There's only love in the heart of God, no room for shame in His open arms. There's beauty from ashes, so come as you are.
I'm Kara, nice to meet
Kara,
you.
good to meet you again. Hey, so tell us a little bit about your car. What do you got here?
So this right here is a 1966 Cadillac Sedan DeVille. It is all original other than two parts, which is my air filter and then my master cylinder for my brakes. Those are the only two things that I have actually had to replace on this car. I paid $2,000 cash for it. It has 14,000 original miles. She has everything absolutely all original, from the motor to the interior to my cigarette lighters, hubcaps, skirts, This is the first car show I've taken her out to. My father, right next to me, is the one that got me into all this. Yeah, it's, my prized possession, and, I'm excited to soup her up and get her going and go to more car shows, and who knows, I might win a couple trophies.
You sure might. So tell us, Kara, what do you love most about your car?
Oh gosh, just the look of it. Just the look, the old schoolness, all the steel, the horns, just everything about it. Classic cars are way better than the newer cars today. Some of the newer cars, don't get me wrong, they're decent, but just something about the old classics, it's just always gonna have a place in my heart.
Yep, you can't beat them. Unless you're trying to park them in a parking lot, you can't beat them.
Right. It's the only problem. Sometimes, with the long, wide body like she is, it's a little hard turning around those corners, but
power steering.
yes, I do have power steering. I also have cruise control, AC. I have Centennial light beams. I have a telescopic steering wheel to unlock it.
Whoa.
She goes up and she goes down. A lot of things in this car I'm really surprised that I got, but like I said, she's just one of those cars you can't beat.
Thank you for bringing your car out and being part of our show and helping us love on the community. We appreciate it.
Thank you guys.
It's time to start living like I'm free, living like I'm free. You called me from this mess, you put my fear to rest. I am not locked up anymore. You are the reason why I'm coming back to life.
Favorite wheels. My Roadrunner originally had those wheels on it. They're my favorite wheels on earth. I love the look of them. And I kind of like the old rusted out look.
Was this your first car? What's your history with this thing?
My car was a similar age in a similar condition. Let's say that.
That's nice. You're here. Don't try this at home. He's a trained professional.
I feel like the man. It's better. I would pay $100 every time to see this man. And look, if you can visit him every week, he'll give you a discount for $75. He's the best, dude. The best.
And we're here with
Dwayne Williams.
Dwayne Williams.
How you doing, Pastor?
So good to meet you, Dwayne. So Dwayne, we want to hear about your car over here. So tell us a little bit about this guy.
About this 1969 Oldsmobile 442 W30.
What do you love most about your car?
I really love driving it.
Yeah.
I like the look, but I like the drive. I like the power. It's a big block. So
Yeah. So how often do you drive it?
a couple times a week myself. I do.
That's awesome, bro.
My wife said almost every day. I
As
drive it a
often.
couple times a week.
That's awesome.
Sure.
Often
I
as
do a lot of cleaning.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
You got a history of changing stories. Even when I wrote mine off as done. When I see a mystery before me, I know the battle's won.
Right on, Terry. Tell me a little bit about this Corvette.
It's 2004 Chevy Corvette.
He's done a lot of work on this thing. If you look at that engine bay, all the stuff he's done, look inside, you can see almost nothing in here has not been touched by him. He's really done a good job.
Hey, so tell us a little bit about your truck here, bro.
This is the Dirty 30. It is a 1930 Chevy pickup. It does have the original wood cab. That's probably about, well, on the frame, that's probably about the only thing on it that's original anymore. This particular truck was actually stolen. It was gone for 4 years, and we found it one day and got it back, so that was a blessing.
Someone stole it from you, but then you found it 4 years later?
Yeah, they took our car hauler and it was gone.
But what's your name, sir?
Tony Staley.
Tony?
Yes.
God bless you, Tony. Hey, thank you for coming out and bringing your truck today. I want you to tell us a little bit about your truck over here.
Well, it's a 48 Chevy body, sitting on a 74 chassis with 74 motor. 454 big block, nitrous assisted with 2 bottles on the back, and it's a lot of fun to drive.
So I got a funny feeling this is faster than the Tomater on cars.
It can be. It can be. We did a tune-up on it this winter, and now she's running a lot better than she's ever run before. I've had it about 2.5 years, like you said, and she'll get up and run.
So how many horsepower are you running in this thing?
Don't know. I would guess it's over 5, especially with the assistance from the nitrous bottle. So I would guess at least 500.
So there's a ton of stuff I love about your truck, but you
Okay.
want to know one of the things I love the most?
What's that?
It's the color of your engine block, baby. You got our neon green.
Yes, it is.
That is the best. So this is Timmy's car, so tell us a little bit about your car, Tim.
It's a 1999 Chevy Camaro with the 5.7 liter LS1.
So what do you love most about it?
Probably the T-tops. I love T-tops.
Oh yeah, so let's step back here and let's see the T-tops.
When Preston drove it home, we drove it with it off.
That's cool, man. Right on. And what year?
That's a 1999.
That's
Thank
awesome.
you.
Thank you again so much.
Thank you, too.
We got first place for 380s, number 55, number 55 with a 7. There he is, right on. Congratulations. Best in Show. First place. Best in Show. First place.